Today's outing brings us to North Central Florida, to one of the more infamous towns, none other than the Villages.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Apple in Aurora.
And I'm Rob, and today we are checking out the Villages. We've all seen the crazy posts on social media about this place, so we decided to come down and check it out for ourselves. Ready for this? It's January 4th, 2026, and the golf carts are lining the street. This place is pretty happening. About 63 degrees outside. And this is City Fire. Guess we're kind of hungry, so. You hungry? Yeah? All right. Let's go inside and let's check out the food.
Yes, let's start with some food.
Just like us.
My daughter's already making friends. Doing a little show and tell.
Can I take your number down? Can I take your number? You want mine? I'll call you later.
Football Sunday.
The menu actually looks pretty good. They've got some nice stuff: beef stroganoff, Cajun pasta, short rib, some pizzas. Looks pretty good. And a nice little cocktail menu on this side.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe the wings look good. Let's check the other side. Oh, what do we got here? French dip.
Reuben, cod
Yep.
sandwich,
I think I'm already sold here.
and the French dip.
Yeah, I love the French dip.
All right.
Yeah, the French dip came out. Portions are kind of skimpy, but it is really good.
Mm-hmm.
How was your quesadilla?
It's nice. The soup is really good, the French onion.
Oh yeah.
And she refuses to eat pasta right now. She wants quesadilla only, dipping in the soup. Mmm.
Yummy. A wise man once said,
Sometimes I shock myself with the clever things I say and do. Other times I try getting out of my car with the seatbelt on. Yep. Yeah, I relate to that one. Looks like the music started.
looks like they're getting set up.
Ooh,
They're
it
getting
looks like
set
I
up,
want to go
ready
in that
go.
store.
Stadium Gallery. Let's check this place out. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, they got some autographs and a lot of stuff here. Ooh, World Series trophies. Wow. Beautiful. Definitely a spot if I want to outfit my man cave. We just met this young lady that happened to buy our old Jeep.
The one that Aurora came home in.
That the baby came home in the first time 2 years ago, just randomly ran into her. Exactly. What are the chances? That is so weird. Amazing. Well, very pleasure meeting you.
You too.
All right.
we see this white Jeep that looked like something we used to own. Rob just decides to ask. We look up the VIN number on the side of the door, and it is our old Jeep. I miss that Jeep. We bought it. 2 months later, I got pregnant. We bring her home from the hospital in it, and literally the next week, we're like, no, thank you. We traded it in for something bigger, more family appropriate. But nice lady. She does wigs for cancer patients. I thought it was very sweet.
That's so cool. Well, they all came out to get down and dance in the square.
Put their boots on.
They got their boots on. They're breaking it down.
You know who the lead singer sounds like?
Who?
He has the voice of Wheeler Walker Jr.
Oh, yeah.
He does, right? Living their best life, man. She knows what we're doing.
No visit to the villages would be complete without a visit to the inebriation station. Cold libations ready to go.
Jump!
We got a little dancing machine on our hands.
Jump!
Yay!
Shop dress man.
WVLG, 6:40 a.m. They have their own studio here. And looks like someone's on the air in the studio here. There's a Scenic cruise available for $3. I guess Santa Claus here will take you on the Evening Star for a round trip cruise to nowhere across Lake Sumner Landing. What a beautiful setting, though. So far, we haven't seen any of the crazy stuff we've read on social media, but there's so far a lot of entertainment, a lot of places to eat. It's pretty nice here.
Junkie. Is he friendly? Okay. She is.
RJ Gators. Wow. This used to be a South Florida staple. There used to be probably a couple of dozen of these restaurants scattered all over from Jupiter to Miami. Well, that was a lot of fun. The food was pretty good. Looked like some nice entertainment. I want to definitely come back and go do the boat tour.
Yeah, when the weather's a little bit nicer,
Yeah.
maybe.
Absolutely, that would be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was just a bit too wet and cold today for that little munchkin.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining in. We'll see you next time. That's a wrap.